Why did Elon Musk fire 90% of Tesla's employees? Yes, you read that right. Elon Musk fired up to 90% of Tesla's employees. In this video, we will be going into details of why Elon Musk went the extra mile of firing the better part of his workforce in Tesla. So, why did Elon Musk decide to let go of so many of his employees? We have one word for you: disloyalty. For reasons we will explore in this video, Tesla's employees were leaking confidential product information. So, for some time now, Tesla had been dealing with its employees leaking important information about the company. The company executives were keeping a close lid on this information and had warned many times what would happen if somebody was actually caught doing this. Most of this corporate espionage becomes known after the information is made public on social media. Tesla has always been very competitive with other companies who wanted to emulate Tesla's vision. It's only natural that the competition wanted to have someone on the inside who could provide them with secrets of how Tesla went about its business. Also important was a projection of the company in a negative light. This signaled to the world that Tesla is not such a good company after all. This was a deliberate attempt to cut through the company's successes and highlight all that has gone horribly wrong with the company. In 2018, Musk finally informed all of his employees through a lengthy letter that they had found the individual who was leaking critical information about the company. The individual was caught in the middle of a major project at Tesla when the company was finishing up its production of Tesla Model 3. This was also the time when Musk was restructuring his company's labor force for increasing efficiency of the company. The demand for increased productivity was based on the high demand for Tesla cars, which created a lot of pressure on the executives and line workers alike. During this period of rapid change, a former employee, Martin Tripp, was caught for hacking into the company's database and then delivering the sensitive information to third parties. Tripp was a worker who was employed at the Nevada Gigafactory. Martin Tripp confessed to writing code of the hacking software which disrupted Tesla's mainframe and stole important information from the operating system. The data was then passed on to outside third parties. The stolen classified information, which was in gigabytes, had a devastating impact on Tesla's market value as the stock value of Tesla began to nosedive. The projected loss from this decline in the market value is estimated to be a whopping $167 million. The stolen data included important pictures of vehicle designs as well as detailed videos of Tesla's production systems. This was enough to put a permanent dent in Tesla's image. Apparently, Martin Tripp had hacked into Tesla's system and stolen company data out of spite for allocating him a job role which he did not find to his liking. Martin was expecting to be promoted to a senior position in the company, but Martin Tripp's example is not the only one of employees taking their anger out on the company. By the end of the first financial quarter of 2019, Tesla's image was shadowed by similar cases of disgruntled employees taking their anger out on the company. In January 2019, an employee was caught stealing and sharing important business information on Twitter of all places. Well, one thing is for sure, now that Elon Musk has acquired Twitter, most of these employees are less likely to take out their hatred on this social forum. So what did this employee do? This particular employee disclosed confidential production numbers on social media with various journalists. The employee was fired on the grounds of breaching a non-disclosure agreement signed between him and Tesla. A separate lawsuit was filed against the employer and a competitor on grounds for stealing proprietary information and internal company data. The market competitor wanted to steal Tesla's hard work. In 2019, a former employee of Tesla went to work for another company and uploaded Tesla's important product schematics to his personal iCloud account. The employee was sued by Tesla on account of stealing trade secrets. Another employee of Tesla posted an internal memo from Tesla's meetings on social media. The management was able to identify the guilty party almost immediately. After so many instances of data theft, Tesla took matters into its own hands. Tesla announced that any such event of theft of company information will be dealt with an iron hand. However, some employees did not change their ways. In 2020, a gigafactory was hit with a Russian cyber attack. Allegedly, Russian hackers had bribed one of the employees with $1 million to install malware in one of Tesla's mainframes. These hackers then blackmailed Tesla into releasing sensitive information if their demands of money were not met. Elon Musk had enough of this. He created a simple solution of identifying the culprits responsible for stealing information, sending out unique emails to each employee. Since each mail had its own unique code built into it, and the whole email was copied without edits after it was leaked, the company had made identification of their disloyal employees easy. This is not a full-way proof of preventing data theft, but it is one which is guaranteed to make identification less of a headache. So that was how Elon Musk was able to rid Tesla of disloyal employees. We hope that this video piqued your interest. If that is the case, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for staying up to date with the latest content.